Hi, welcome to the Wedding Betty. I'm so happy you're here. You're probably wondering why we call ourselves the Wedding Betty, or why Betty. Honestly, because in our culture, a Betty describes a cool, strong, independent woman. Think Betty Boop, but with an entrepreneurial edge. And, we love surfing, so the name was born. Now, what does it have to do with you? This page and the products we offer have everything to do with empowering you in your life, your growth and wealth, and creating your dream weddings if you choose to get married. It's about charting your own course and being a disruptor to what people think you are and what they think you can create. We know how it feels when somebody counts you out. We know what it feels like when you are scraping by trying to make magic out of 15 cents. We know what it means to become more than what others say you are and to finally believe in yourself. There's a moment when you decide to fight for your future, and we've been there. Some people say hustling is old, but those people never had to leave the stove on to heat the house. And most likely, they don't know the struggle of having a beautiful wedding or event without knowing what is needed in order to make that wedding happen. Okay, this may seem negative, but what we're really saying is we pulled ourselves out of the muck, and you can too. It took us years to realize we needed to fight for our worth and that we had something we wanted to say. We always believed in the bigger picture, and that hustle that was considered old became our foundation. Today we're here to share with you what we've learned. We've created products that empower you to unlock a stronger mindset, grow your wealth, and bring your wedding dreams to life without breaking the bank. And here's the thing, winning with Stan's support would mean even more tools, more resources, and a bigger community of like-minded visionaries coming together. Imagine what we could build together. Stan has given us a platform to turn our dreams into reality, and now it's your turn. We're all about empowering you. The Stan store is more than a pit stop, and we're more than just a store. We are a community of dreamers, disruptors, and visionaries. Together we'll break boundaries, build wealth, and create the weddings and lives we've always imagined. So, welcome to the Wedding Betty. Let's start manifesting your dreams today.